What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of ScaleRiders. Here I wanted to introduce you guys to Iceman Collections. I've had him on the podcast a couple times. We've done some interviews, and our most recent podcast episode we had spoken about his venture into 3D printing. Here he has sent me over some of his products to check out, and let's take a look at them here. As you can see, I have a wheel on these stands right here. And these stands here originally have been used at car shows for the real cars. Um, to me, this is the first time I've seen them being printed, and he's been introducing these to the scale model world market. I don't have a model car right now out on display to show you guys, but just as an example, I placed the wheels here on the axle, and as you know it, right in front, obviously, let's just say, for example, if this was the vehicle, you would have this. And here, let me scoot this over just a bit here forward. All right, cool. Says you could just imagine if this was like a show car, I would have this floating right up there. You could put a mirror underneath, so this way you can show the bottom of the vehicle. So there's various purposes. Also, like this here, you could even be displaying a single wheel here. But the quality of the work is great. Very minimal work. I'm going to definitely wash these, scuff them down, with some sandpaper, and then primer them. And after that, it's up to you. If you want to match the color of the paint job of your car to match these, especially when you're going to be displaying your car. So these are pretty cool. You can visit him on his site, icemancollections.com. He's also on eBay too. If you go on eBay, you can look up Iceman Collections over on Instagram if you guys want to reach out to him as well. Down here, if you can see these, here, let me zoom in on these. There we go. So these here can also go inside of your vehicle. Pretty much, here, let me get something smaller so I can get in there. You cut this bottom piece here, so this way you have that little the little crown there, and you set it up on your dash. And then this is another piece here that we spoke about. This is an air filter for your car, so you could place this in the engine of your car. Here, let me see. Hopefully this engine doesn't fall. Let me put that there, and let's see if this kind of stays. Oh, it did stay put. There you go. Sweet. So as you can see here, you can put that there. You could paint it, get it chrome plated. Super clean. Look at you can see the detail right in there. So, once you lay that primer on there, you're going to be able to see all that fine detail. He has more products out. These are just some of the ones that I'm showcasing here. He's also has printed crates. There's a lot of different stuff. He's making a lot of pieces for the dioramas as well for the cars. But yeah, just check out Iceman Collections, and I'll be showing you guys soon what I end up doing with these here. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. ScaleRiders, peace.